So this is my Facebook page. If you're checking for monitor my page traffic, how to monitor my page traffic, the option called is Insight. This is mean by Facebook Analytics. This is mean by Facebook Analytics. The report will be given by the past 7 days. This will be last 7 days. Page views 13, page previews 4, page likes 1, post is 1133, recommendation will be there, page follows only 1, videos 169, posting will be 135. Means these are the regular posting for this one. Page promotion 123, people reach 21 page likes, 16 rupees will be spending. So these are the reach. 3 reach, 14 reach, 26. These are the engagement. 24, 17. These are the all information about your post option. See this. We'll check the all engagement. 546, 508, 253 reach. The people with engagement on your post option. Next your promotions. 1 to 3 people will be reach. 21 page likes. 61.35 paisa. Let's click for overview. They give the final report. Check your likes. These are the likes. And this will be here. 12, 10, 2, 1. These are likes. Reach to the audience. So when regular post will be done, the reach will be good. The regular post not done, the reach will be very less. There will be sharing for your Facebook page to groups or other timeline. Now page views. 3 will be 3. Page previews 4. Action of your page. No. Double click for direct click, website click, phone number click, and action button click. Means when promote is increased, automatically increase your action click. And check your post option. Next, branded content. 10 reach, 4 engagement. Events 0. Video sharing. Check this. Not eligible. Means no 10,000 followers and 1 minute video views for 3 minutes video, only for reach by 1%. So no any will be possible by the Facebook page. Next for stories, no stories. People's India 186 fans, Bangladesh 7, Canada 3. These are your fans about your Facebook page. See this one. Messages 141, 0% block rate. New message connection 0. New blogger connection will be 0. New reporter connection will be 0. Next, any orders? 0 orders. I'm not running for any kind of food related, so no orders will be there by your Facebook page. So this all we can check for. Inside option will be track the report, export your information using for export data. Just click here. Page data, post data, video data, total page data. So Excel format, data range. You can select data range will be up to your page creation. This all will be here. Last month, today, yesterday, last 7 days, last 14 days, 20 days, this month, this quarter means 3 months report. Select it. First to March 31st. It's a March 12 only. So we'll go for this one. Click for export data. Or else you can go for manually. December 2008. January 2009. So it will be selected by the like that also. Suppose you can select by up to February 28th. So how many months? December 1st to February 28th. Total 3 months. Report will be downloaded by your option. Click for OK. Export your data. The data will be download started. You can check each and every report and Excel format. You can send to your authority team. This is called check your Facebook page, organ report and page report on Facebook Insight option. Please note down this name, Facebook Insight.